Welcome to quick tip number 34. It's been a while, but my excuse for that, but it's been busy with work, changing to another project, so that's my excuse. And I must say that all the reactions I read and the messages I get seems that people are working very well and my videos help them, I hope, a lot with them. Okay, what are we going to discuss today? One of the things that I have always been missing in Dronelink is the fact that you cannot change on the fly or just manually the frequency from Lightbridge. Well, most of the drones don't have that, but especially the DJI Inspire 2 does have that. So if you start up the drone, it will start up in 5.8 gigahertz, which is good, but it is a very short range. So I always switch over to 2.4. And that in Dronelink is on the fly not possible. So if you're making a flight plan, of course you can do that. But like me, when I'm just flying around filming my friends or just something I want to film without actually a flight plan, you cannot. So I always have to go back to DJI Go 4, switch over from 5.8 gigahertz to 2.4 gigahertz, and then switch over to Dronelink and then fly, of course, in 2.4. But then I have to use the DJI Go 4 app, which I don't want. So there is a way actually of doing that. And in this video, I'm going to explain you how. So let's get started and I will show you how to do that. When you open up DJI Go 4 and you connect to your Inspire 2, you will see that the frequency automatically is set to 5.8 gigahertz. This I don't want. So, in DJI Go 4 settings, you have to switch from 5.8 to 2.4 gigahertz. Also, when you start up Dronelink, your drone will always start in 5.8 gigahertz. However, in the settings you cannot change it to 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, we're going to make a new plan. We'll take a blank plan. Somewhere where I am. Doesn't matter that much. So, how we call it? We call it the Inspire 2 frequency 2.4 gigahertz. This is always handy to find back. Frequency Inspire 2 DJI and test. Okay, done. Okay, so we're going add a mission. Now we get the trick, so we go to commands, advanced. It's actually a drone command. So here you see the Lightbridge frequency band. It is set at 2.4, so I say that's all I need. Then I must say there are some other things you can do, like reset of settings, autofocus, which I like to add. So let's also add autofocus. Focus mode. I like to have continuous autofocus. Done. So principle I have now, as soon as I started, I have switching over to 2.4 gigahertz and I switch over to continuous autofocus. Very important. We're safe versions, new version, done. And now I should have my Inspire 2 frequency. That's all I need. So now we go and test in reality. We are now outside and I go connect my drone to Dronelink. As you can see, as soon as you start up the drone, it will switch by itself to 5.8 GHz. And now we will load our Dronelink plan.
Three, 2, 1. Starting mission.
As soon as the mission is accomplished, you will see it has been switched over to 2.4 GHz. The funny thing is, even if you do something else, you remain on 2.4 GHz, which is exactly what we want.